Hello, and this is the itinerary for Sweden. What is the itinerary? The itinerary will act as our guide through the city of Stockholm in Sweden. It is a 2 week plan mapping out the time and our destinations. It will include the prices we have estimated for the activities, rooming, and food. Question you're asking yourself is who's going to use the itinerary? Everyone will. Going on the trip, you should familiarize yourself with the activities you will be taking part of. Knowing the activities and the costs will allow you to properly accumulate the funds and plan ahead for any unnecessary things like allergies or food preferences. Where are you going, we ask? The itinerary shows all the destinations we are going to visit in the city. We are going to be seeing historical landmarks to embrace the culture of Sweden, to really understand the people. We will also visit some academic locations, like the National Museum, to engulf ourselves in the rich history of Sweden and the Norwegian Scandinavian country. On top of that, we will also have recreational activities like an escape room to go have fun and just relax. When are we going? We will be going for 2 weeks, and we will fly out September 23rd, 2020, and stay in Sweden until October 7th of 2022. Dates in short form at the bottom. Why should you go on this trip? Simple. Fun recreational activities to go have fun, see the country, the beautiful views, and the lovely people there, and be in a foreign location. Plus, educational locations. We'll be going to see educational locations to satisfy your academic mind. Not only that, we'll see the historical landmarks for those historian buffs, and the scenery there is to not be missed out on. How do you get an itinerary? Simple. Just visit our website, go under more information, and you will find a PDF that will have all the activities and prices you need for your trip abroad. Thank you for listening, and we hope to see you on the plane with us September 23rd. Have a good day.